Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the wallpaper section, then you have to select which wallpaper you want to set. You can set yourself live wallpapers if you have one. You can select one of the pre-installed wallpapers here. You can also access some of the online wallpapers in the wallpaper store if you are connected to the internet, or you just can set your own image as a wallpaper by going here. Then you have to select your image, then you have to adjust it and then tap apply, and then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.